Hello viewers, welcome to MadeEasy Vlogs. This is Pradesh. In this video, I'm going to review about the American Micronic car washer full review video. As I said, this is not only a pressure washer, it can be used for multi-purpose also. So what you get is a value for money at the budget of only 7,000 rupees. So this pressure washer gives 140 bar pressure. That means 230 psi of pressure of water is produced as output. And with this gun, the pressure washer gives an output of 390 liter per hour. That means per minute you can dispense up to 6.5 liter of water as press of this nozzle. And the gun they give is also friendly to handle, and also the quality of the product is very comfortable and also very standard. I don't feel any cheap quality plastics in this. And the trigger of the gun is also you can fully press to give the full dispenser, or you can do a off press wherever you wanted to clean in a low pressure and also high pressure. So depending on the pressing of the trigger, you can control the amount of water it is getting dispensed. And this pressure washer also comes up with different kinds of nozzles and attachments which you can attach to this gun to control the amount of water you wanted to dispense in speed or slow speed. And they also provide an high pressure hose connecting to the input of the machine. So the water inlet from your house tap goes into this. They give an orange clickable which I show in this video right now, which is very easy to connect to the nozzle present here. So you can hear a click sound, that means it's perfectly connected. And also they give a 6 meter high pressure dispenser pipe which connects from the machine to the gun. So this has a heavy duty, I can feel it while I touch. So this is also I have used for more than 4 years. It has not been eroded or it has not been shown any breakage or damage till now. So you can also buy in Amazon, Flipkart. I will give the link if you want to extend this wire. So there are connectors on also 8 meters, 16 meters wire to available depending on your size of the car or depending on the area you wanted to wash. And also a normal 6 meter is more than enough to wash a small mid-range cars. And also this American Micronic takes an input of 6 ampere 3-pin power input. So it's standard, you can put it wherever in India, wherever the plug is available for this. And the input current wire also have a good length so that you can move your American Micronic car wash or wherever you wanted to wash around your house. And it comes with a standard 2 wheels. So this also has not created issue. It moves like anything. So light movement in the handle helps to move it around the floor. And next item is the important feature I'm going to say. This washer is an IPX5 water resistant feature is given. So even you can wash this washer whenever it has mud or you wanted to clean this thing without, you can use this gun itself and spray on this machine. You are not going to get electrocuted or shocked. And this washer has integrated accessories like holder, so where you can put your gun and fix this integrated holder in any of this machine sides, and you can put the gun inside. So it will hold it, you don't need to carry it always. And also it has a foaming soap bottle where you mix your car shampoo and attach it to the gun to spray the bubbles on the car. And also to prevent child or any misuse of this high pressure washer, you have a lock here. So this helps you to deactivate the clip so you cannot take it anywhere, so the water doesn't dispense out. So the whole cleaning process, including my two-wheeler and my car, only takes 30 minutes. So it saves more time instead of going to a car wash area or a pressure washer area in the mall or supermarket where I need to put and wait for 1 or 2 hours waiting for other cars to finish. And one more advantage is I can even also wash the 3D mats or the plastic mats which you have in the car and easily dry it on the top of the house. And especially this brand, American Micronic, is imported from US and sold in India. So it has a 1-year warranty and I'm using it more than 4 years now, and I have never faced any issue in this product. And also it saves me more money by having it as a comfortable place to keep it in house and doesn't occupy any space. Also it saves me more money on daily car washes or weekly car washes from 500 to 700 rupees by going out. Also we cannot guarantee whenever we wash the car outside if they are using good water or good towels without any sand or dust attached. It might cause damage to our car. So if you want to buy this American Micronic car washer and also washes your any utility area in your house, please click on the buy link which I have provided in my description. See you in the next video. Bye.